Welcome to TUI Grow Guides. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to take good care of your indoor plants. Plants are an awesome way to add life to your indoor space. Before you get started, it's important to choose the right type of plant for the right place. Most plants love a bright, well-lit spot rather than direct sunlight. You'll find all the details on the plant label. Once you've chosen the perfect plant, it's time to find the best pot for it. Choose a container that's a suitable size. The pot should have drainage holes, or place pebbles at the bottom of the pot to create drainage. Healthy soil is a biggie for indoor plants, so choose a potting mix that is free draining, like TUI Indoor Plant Mix. Now it's time for planting. First, make sure you water your plants before potting and let them drain. Then partly fill your container with indoor plant mix. Gently take the plant from its current container. Put the plant in the center of a new container and fill up until it's about 3 centimeters from the top. Just firm the mix around the plant. Keep an eye on your plants for any care or attention they need. Remove any dead or unhealthy leaves and check for pests. If you find any signs of insects, spray with indoor plant insect spray. Rather than watering every Saturday, check the moisture levels by using the tip of your finger or a moisture meter. If the soil feels dry, give them a water. If the soil is moist, you don't need to water, as overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Plants use the nutrients from the soil to help them grow, so regular feeding will help them continue to grow stronger. Check out our range of pre-mixed, enriched, pour and feed fertilizers. They're perfect for a variety of indoor plants. That's all you have to do to have yourself a lovely space with plants that are happy. Discover more indoor plant tips at tuiproducts.co.nz and keep an eye out for our next Grow Guide.